Chris, will you take Prem to be your wife and true love? Will you treasure your union and love her more each and every day? Will you trust and respect her, laugh with her, and be there for her, loving her faithfully through the good times and bad, regardless of the obstacles you may face together? And will you give her your heart, mind, and soul from this day forward for as long as you both shall live?
I will.
Prem, will you take Chris to be your husband in true love? Will you treasure your union and love him more each and every day? Will you trust and respect him, laugh with him, and be there for him, loving him faithfully through the good times and bad, regardless of the obstacles you may face together? And will you give him your heart, mind, and soul from this day forward for as long as you both shall live?
I will.
Prem and Chris, today you formally confirm that you have found someone who touches not only your heart but also your soul. Today you recognize that you found someone who will stand beside you, not over you. Someone who will love you for who you are, not what you could be. Today we see that you have found each other.
'Cause you light up the path. I don't care, go on and tell.
I, Premika, take you, Kristian, as my beloved husband, best friend, partner in crime, and my rock of countenance. I vow to bring you happiness every day and promise to be true to you in good times and bad. I promise to cherish you and our moments together. As we continue to travel and explore new places, I will always follow your direction, given how terrible my map reading skills are. Thank you for always supporting and loving me dearly. I know I haven't always made that easy. I accept that I won't get your undivided attention when Everton is on. We both know how indecisive I can be, but one thing I know with complete certainty is that you are the person that I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Full of stars. I wanna die in your
I, Kristian, take you, Premika, to be my lifelong partner in all that I do. Through sickness and in health, I will be there for you to always give the support and love you deserve. As we navigate life together, I promise to bring you happiness, security, and calmness. I accept that it won't always be easy, especially given how impatient one of us gets. But through good and bad, I will always be there for you. I love you more than words could ever explain, and I am honored to spend the rest of my life with you as husband and wife.
I don't care if you do. 'Cause in a sky full of stars, I think I see you. I think I see
Their belief in life and in sharing and their wish to be together throughout the rest of their lives. Now, let it be known that when you look into each other's eyes, you're joined, body and soul, in this lifetime, and that bond is sacred and congratulations, Chris. You may kiss your bride. May I present you Mr. and Mrs. Wells.